Model, 68-plate Ford Transit Connect Limited 240L2 1.5 120PS EcoBlue Simple Fix ULEZ Compliant Star Struck Trader Margin Open Mouth Smile. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 152,332. MOT, 28 November 2024. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 TDCI 120 PSS6H. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox perfect, clutch needs replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, start-stop, electric windows, parking sensors, reversing camera, cruise control, air-con. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0